In Iraq, during the month of Ramadan, people observe fasting from dawn until dusk. When the sun sets, families and friends gather to break their fast with a meal called iftar. There are many traditional dishes that are cooked during Ramadan in Iraq. One of the most popular dishes is called samosas, which are crispy fried pastries filled with meat or vegetable. As one Iraqi local says, samosas are a must have during Ramadan. They are so delicious and satisfying after a long day of fasting. Another dish commonly served during iftar is biryani, a spiced rice dish that can be made with chicken, lamb, or beef. A local explains biryani is a staple during Ramadan. It's filled and packed with flavor, making it a perfect dish to break our fast with. Lamb or chicken stew is another favorite dish during Ramadan. The slow cooked meat is tender and flavorful and pairs well with bread or rice. As one Iraqi cook explains, I always make a big pot of lamb stew during Ramadan. It's a comforting and nourishing meal that my family looks forward to every year. No Iraqi iftar meal is complete without a sweet treat, such as baklava or katayef. Baklava is a flaky pastry made with layers of phyllo dough, chopped nuts, and honey syrup. Katayef is a type of stuffed pancake filled with sweetened cheese or nuts. As an Iraqi woman says, we love to end our iftar meal with something sweet. Baklava and katayef are perfect for satisfying our sweet tooth. There are many traditional dishes to enjoy during Ramadan in Iraq and other lovely Middle East countries. Samosas, biryani, lamb stew, and sweet treats like baklava and katayef are just a few examples of the delicious foods that bring families and friends together during this special month. مدرب لغة وليد خالد